Hey everyone, we're going to be doing a EGR delete in my J32 Integra. We're going to be using just a generic block off plate. Yes, it's not the ultimate brand that you see online, but practically they all do the same. All it does is block it off. This is going to be a quick video. We'll be starting off with removing the 12mm bolts right here. There's going to be two in there. Unplug the connector. We're going to be moving that out of the way in a little bit, so I'll give you a quick peek whenever I get that removed. Once you get those two 12mm, this is what it's going to look like. You might be wondering why I'm taking it off. Now this will throw a check engine light if you have a stock vehicle. Obviously this is not stock. Might be wondering as well why I'm taking it off. These are pretty much in place to just meet the emission standards. Basically you're masking off performance on the motor. This just practically circulates exhaust gas basically, so I mean you're helping the motor a little bit by taking it off. If you are going boosted, this is a must to take off, but if you have a stock one, I would suggest not to unless you have Honda or K Pro. Then you can take it off on the newer J series, but overall I don't really need it, nor I care for it, so that's the only reason why I'm taking it off. Once you get that off and clean off the old gasket, you don't have to remove the whole thing, just majority of it. I'm only going to be using the gasket from the new kit and obviously the block off plate. I'm not going to be using the bolts that they supplied since the studs are still there. So, but we are using the factory nuts. But anyway, self-explanatory. Just drop down the gasket. If you can get it in there. And then drop the block off plate and tighten everything up, and you're pretty much done. Got everything tightened down. That's pretty much it. That's what it looks like. So not only you shaved a little bit of weight, you did help the motor breathe a little bit better. Like I said, this is a not necessary thing to do, but it does help the motor a little bit. This is a install at your own risk type of thing, so if you are in California, I don't think you can do these type of mods, but anywhere else you can, like I said, you can pretty much get it deleted via Honda or K Pro if you have that. K series are pretty much the same, so J series you can do with Honda, AEM. You can't do it on the stock obviously, but like I said, that's pretty much it. It's a pretty quick install, very cheap, and it does help. So hopefully you guys learned a little bit of something today. If you guys have any more questions about it, feel free to leave a comment. Other than that, that's it.